remember this melody. It goes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another review. So this video is a review video and it's a very different kind of review videos. Like I have done review videos in the past, but like this one is a disappointment, like an review but not a like good review. Means review is good but the product is not good, not so good product. It's a faulty product, I would say. Like it did not work for me, but still I thought of giving a review because like there must be some girls out there who must be taking products that I show them, like that I review. But then if it's not a good product, then they should not buy. So that's why I thought I'll come up here and show you the product and tell you that why you should not buy this. So yeah, if you're interested, then please continue watching. So the product that I have is this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks like. So it's a simple basic eyeshadow palette, means colorful eyeshadow palette, basic packaging. The price of this initially, like the price written over here is 229, and you always get it from 150 to 200 on Amazon. Like you can get it on Amazon as well as on Meesho and Flipkart as well. So prices vary accordingly. So the reviews that I saw there were not good. Like I would not lie, I saw the reviews that said that palette is broken, it's not good and all, but still I was intrigued by the colors. Like you can see how pretty the colors are. Like you have maroon, red, pink, blue, green, yellow. So I was so intrigued by this, so immediately I bought it. So I purchased it at around 180, I feel. So I thought that 180 is a very good price for such a colorful eyeshadow palette. Like in high-end brands you get thousands rupees you spend on such palette. So the plastic packaging itself is very like flimsy cardboard plastic packaging, but I don't mind that if the colors are good. So I opened it, and the first thing that happened with me was that two colors, like this and this, these were different colors. In the, like I'll put the picture somewhere so you can see. This color, both the colors were all shattered. Like the eyeshadow was fully broken, two shades, and they were all around the place, and the mess like on packaging and everywhere. So then immediately I put the picture on Amazon and I told them that this is a damage, so I need a refund. So the refund got initiated at the same time and I got it in my account back. But the thing is that this thing should not happen. Like they should have packaged it properly, but that did not happen. So somehow like I cleaned the mess and then I placed two eyeshadows that I had over here so that it looks complete, it does not look bad. So I somehow fixed these two eyeshadows in place and like managed to give this palette a decent look. So then I thought, let's just try some shades and see if the pigmentation is good or something. So I just swatched this. So this is decently pigmented. As you can see, this is a maroonish shade. So I'll just swatch it here. So this is pigmented, but it is very chalky, very powdery, and the other thing is it stains the hand very badly. Like even if I rub it and I like remove it, then also you can see a red stain. This won't go. So this is the baddest thing like that can happen with eyeshadows, because like we don't want like after makeup all our makeup on our hands to remain for hours. No, not at all. So next, like you can see all decent colors here. So I was very intrigued by the blue one. So I swatched. It looks blue, but when you swatch it, like it's very powdery. It's an electric blue kind of thing, and when you swatch it, it is also very powdery. Like first you get the pigmentation, then it fades away. They blend properly, there's no issue, but it's very chalky and a lot of fallout. So I have used it in some of the videos. Like you can see there that there is a lot of fallout. Then I have a orange shade right here. So this is also, means pigmentation is there, but the quality is not good, I would say. So this is how the orange looks like. It is not that pigmented as compared to others. Then I was intrigued by this purple shade right here, so I thought like let's try it. So this is how it looks like. So this is the swatch of the purple shade. On the eyes they do not come out that well, they come out on the hand. Then I just wanted to try the green one. So here it is, like a green shade, proper like green. So this is how it looks like. It is pigmented, no doubt. The price also is very less, but the packaging destroyed everything. And the other thing is that it does not like show up on the eyes. It shows up on the hands but not on the eyes that well. And other thing is that the colors like don't like look exactly same on the eyes. Then last disappointment was this yellow. It's very chalky and very powdery, like you can see. It feels same like chalk, the chalk that we used to use. So this is how it looks. It does not look that like pretty bright yellow. So this is that. So I would not recommend you to buy this. Instead you can invest some more and go for the Swiss Beauty palette. So that also I have right here. I'll just show you one. So this is the one I'm talking about. So I have just reviewed it as well, so you can check my review. So this costs around 350, like more than that, but this is a good packaging and good price. This was not broken at all, and it's such a luxurious packaging. It comes with a full size big mirror as well, and the shades also here are so pretty. Just have a look. The shades here, you have all those shades, the yellows, purples, blues, greens, all colors. So you can definitely try this instead of that. So yeah, that's all for my review. I hope that was helpful for you. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.